Hello, this is Alan from Screenage. We all know for the LCD module, it has original version and unoriginal version. Original version LCD module, it means comes from BOE or AUO or LG. They already assembled together. But for the unoriginal one, today we're gonna explore how the open cell from BOE and being produced in here in Shenzhen. Okay, follow me please. This is definitely dust-free room and is class 100,000 clean room. So here, this is step one. We can see there are some frames made by the plastic. So these people, they are putting the foam in the between of the plastic frame because the LCD glass gonna be loaded onto it. So the function of the foam is going to protect the OC glass. We are not get a point load and break the glass. Come to here. This is second. Step two is all the metal chassis. So the chassis arrived and these people is going to put the LED lamp on side. So from the LED lamp, we can understand it is an edge backlight and its brightness should be low because if they want to make like 1000 nits, it should not be just a single one side of the LED lamp, it should be double side. This is the IQC, incoming quality control for the open cell. So before we go into the production, this open cell gonna be checked every single unit by the program. It's checking the display area and also for the depth pixel, color pixel. Right now, we are in the second room. For this dust-free room, it's class 10,000 clean room. It's more strict than the first one. This is step three. This labor, they put in the light guide plate on the chassis. Because the screen is getting the one side edge backlight, so it must put this kind of the light guide plate to make the light on all of the area of the screen. This is step four. This gentleman is putting two special film on the top of the light guide plate, and also he's put another plastic cover to lock all the light guide plate and the film on inside. This is step five. This gentleman is going to put the LCD display glass on the chassis and the frame. So first of all, he is moving the protection film and then he has to make sure there is no dust inside. This is step six. So this step, they are going to put the metal cover to the top of the LCD module to make sure everything gonna be locked inside because only rely on the plastic is not strong enough. This is step six. So for this step, the people going to put the PVC plastic cover to cover the T-CON board. This is step seven. This is a dark room. Why they make a dark room special inside the dust-free room is because they are QC person. They need to check how is the backlighting on the LCD glass. Is everything okay or not? So look at it there. You can see they're checking every pixel and all the corner of the LCD glass. They're checking, is there any dust, something inside. This is the final step. It's the one to make the shell